Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Residual liquid in a burette can flip a titration result, so watch this quick breakdown and see why the concentration looks too high. Residual weak acid left in the unrinsed burette mixes with the sodium hydroxide, so the solution delivered from the burette is no longer truly 0.100 molar base. Because that contaminated NaOH is effectively weaker, each milliliter neutralizes less HCl, which means you must dispense a greater volume before the endpoint is finally reached. Then, in the calculation, that larger NaOH volume makes the student think more HCl was present, so the hydrochloric acid concentration is overestimated. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust the given setup and check each step, because weaker base means more volume and